how to adjust door closer. You see, there are two screws. The upper one, number one, which is this. If you turn clockwise, it will tighten the door, the spring, so that the door will slam slower. If you turn counterclockwise, the door will slam faster. The bottom one, which is this, you can see, number two. This is to blur. Okay, number two, the bottom one. This is when the door is about to reach the closing part. It will slow down further, so that you have a soft closing. Okay. Now see, now I close it. It's fast and then very nice.